Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 80 Winding Creek Lane in prestigious Allens Creek Valley in Penfield.
This is a spectacular dream townhome waiting for your finishing touch.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
From the front courtyard to the two-story foyer, this dream townhome welcomes you with a vaulted ceiling with skylights and nature views.
Ooh, this is toasty. Enjoy exceptional open living with a cathedral ceiling great room. With skylights, recessed lighting, a wall of windows with deck access, a gas fireplace, beautiful Brazilian cherry hardwood floors, and a dining area. Open to an eat-in kitchen with beautiful shaker-style Dutch Mills cabinetry with options for selecting new appliances and granite or quartz countertops, plus an adjacent powder room and laundry.
Enjoy the ease of one-floor living with this first-floor owner's suite with nature views, a walk-in closet, and a spa bathroom. While the upstairs provides great additional living space with a second bedroom, full bathroom, and an expansive loft area.
Imagine entertaining in this finished walkout lower level with scenic nature views, an office or potential third bedroom, plus great storage.
This rear lot is situated at the end of Winding Creek Lane, backing to park-like views. Allens Creek Valley is a very special and secluded neighborhood with a tennis court and a beautiful pond.
Nearby, the town of Penfield offers great restaurants and shops. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 80 Winding Creek Lane in Penfield.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!